Welcome. Have a seat. I am happy to see you here again learning more about psychology. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now let's start. The nervous system is a complex and intricate network of cells and tissues that controls and coordinates the functions of the body. It is made up of two main parts, the central nervous system CNS and the peripheral nervous system PNS. The central nervous system CNS is the control center of the body and is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. The brain is the most complex organ in the body and is responsible for controlling and coordinating all of the body's functions. It is divided into three main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is divided into two hemispheres, left and right. It is responsible for higher brain functions such as thinking, learning, and memory. The cerebellum, located under the cerebrum, is responsible for coordination and balance. The brainstem, located between the cerebrum and the spinal cord, controls basic functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. The spinal cord is a long, thin bundle of nerves that runs from the base of the brain down through the center of the back. It carries messages back and forth between the brain and the rest of the body. The peripheral nervous system PNS is made up of all the nerves that lie outside of the brain and spinal cord. It is divided into two main parts, the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system is responsible for controlling voluntary movements of the body, such as walking and lifting. It is made up of sensory neurons that carry information from the body to the CNS and motor neurons that carry information from the CNS to the muscles. The autonomic nervous system is responsible for controlling involuntary functions of the body, such as heart rate, digestion, and respiration. It is divided into two parts, the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is responsible for the fight or flight response, while the parasympathetic nervous system is responsible for the rest and digest response. The nervous system is a complex and essential part of the human body that plays a vital role in maintaining homeostasis and allowing us to interact with our environment. It is made up of the central nervous system, consisting of the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, consisting of the somatic and autonomic systems. Understanding the different parts and functions of the nervous system is important for understanding how the body works and how it is affected by disease or injury. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please don't hesitate to comment and reach out.